Great. Just great. I am in jail. How can this day get any worse?
How's it going, you skanky? I'm here to make your day worse. We've just gotten calls from movie productions, such as Trauma Entertainment, Participant Media, A24, Focus Features, and Studio Ghibli. They all claim that you aired TV shows and movies that they own, and you did not get permission from them to air them on your channel. So they are suing you. See you in court, you nasty piece of...
What?
All rise for the Honorable Judge McCusiper.
All right. This is the case of Rosie Anderson. Is she present?
I'm here.
Good. So Rosie Anderson, I understand that you have been informed of your right to have an attorney represent you in this case. However, due to prior incidents of disruption and misconduct, the court has determined that it cannot accommodate your request for legal representation at this time.
What? Why can't I have an attorney?
Ha ha ha. Do you really think you deserve an attorney, after how many people you have traumatized from watching your stupid channel? No. You've traumatized so many people, including all of the lawyers in the city, that no one would want to back you up in this case. But enough laughs, let's get serious. So Rosie, you are facing serious charges, brought by the Federal Communications Commission, alleging that you operated a television channel without proper FCC approval and aired content that violates broadcast regulations. Additionally, several small production companies have filed suits against you for unauthorized use of their copyrighted material. How do you intend to proceed in this case?
Well, Your Honor, I still don't understand why the FCC has to always monitor television, when they don't do crap to monitor the internet. To me it doesn't make sense.
That's because television is more accessible to people, and the internet can be filtered with parental control programs such as Nip Nanny, while television doesn't work like that. And do you realize the charges against you are serious and carry significant legal consequences? The FCC regulations are in place to protect the public interest and ensure broadcast standards are upheld.
Yeah, and what about the copyright laws?
Copyright laws also protect the intellectual property rights of content creators. How do you plead to these charges?
I plead not guilty. I feel like I've done absolutely nothing wrong. And I believe my actions were justified in the pursuit of artistic expression and media innovation.
Very well, I would like to call up the prosecutor to present me with evidence.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the evidence will show that Ms. Rosie knowingly operated a television channel without the required FCC license, and aired content that violated decency standards. Moreover, she infringed upon the copyrights of several small production companies by broadcasting their films without authorization. I will present testimony and evidence to substantiate these claims.
Thank you. Rosie, it is now your turn to present your opening statement to the jury.
All right. To be honest, I've created this TV channel because I wanted to try to prove to people that anything could be on TV, even actual violence. And it was no mistake.
Wow. So you just admitted that you did all of this on purpose? Just so you could get a rise out of people? My God! You are such a psycho. Well, prosecutor, you may go back to your seat. So Rosie, we didn't need any evidence after all. And I think I have made my decision. You have been found guilty of violating FCC regulations and the copyright laws. I first order you to pay all of these movie productions $1,000, and then sentencing will be scheduled accordingly. This court is adjourned.
All rise.
Order in the court. We're resuming the case of Rosie Anderson, who violated the FCC regulations and copyright laws, which has already been dealt with. So now, I have came to a conclusion of sentencing. So Rosie Anderson, you have been found guilty. I sentence you to 14 years in prison and life of humiliation. Case dismissed.